Oh boy, folks, Google's been juggling more flaming torches than a circus performer today. Let's dive into the tech behemoth's bustling docket of moves and news. First up, Google's exec shuffle is turning heads like it's the plot twist in a juicy drama. Alphabet CEO Sundar Pichai announced a seismic shift in leadership. Prabhakar Raghavan is stepping out of the search and ad spot to play a broader role as the company's new chief technologist. Raghavan, the intellectual titan who's been presiding over Google's search dominion for eons, or rather, since 2018, is moving on to partner directly with Pichai in shaping Google's technical trajectory. Filling his shoes is Nick Fox, who's been soaking up Google's culture since the days of AOL Instant Messenger, classic 2003. This maneuver is no blindsider. It's Google making deft moves in the AI arms race, pivoting like a seasoned surfer catching a monster wave. Slide over to the financial beat, and Google's been playing a bit of a cryptocurrency hide-and-seek. Cue the gasps from the crypto crowd. Over the weekend, Bitcoin and Ethereum price charts took an unannounced detour off Google's search results, sparking a flurry of confused clicks and conspiracy theories. Was this a tech glitch, corporate conspiracy, or both? Turned out, Google pulled the charts to iron out some wrinkles in the data's accuracy. Of course, the charts have since made a triumphant return, putting an end to theories they were trying to push down, rather than up on the Bitcoin hype scale. Boom. Switching gears to the legal arena, Google is making courtroom drama look spicier than a legal thriller. They've asked the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals to put a pin in Judge Donato's ruling that would unleash new App Store dynamics, essentially giving Epic Games another place on the Google Play playground. Google's pressing the panic button on the ruling, citing security risks like an edgy plot twist in an action movie. But Epic Games isn't buying the scare tactics, likening Google's stance to cryptic fear-mongering. And breathe, that's not all. YouTube, Google's video megalodon, is rolling out its premium Lite plan to more countries. This move is akin to jazzing up a concert ticket by covertly removing the encore. While subscribers get a reduction in ads for half the price of a regular premium subscription, they're left without the belle of the ball, features like offline downloads and background play. It's a teaser making a play for your wallet without cranking up the volume on benefits. All this fuss and kerfuffle paint Google today as a company with agile corporate footwork, dabbling in leadership shifts, battling data mysteries, simultaneously dealing with legal wranglings and enticing new subscribers. In the end, it's clear Google isn't just sitting around twiddling its thumbs. No siree, it's flexing its multi-billion-dollar muscles across every conceivable platform. Now that's multitasking for the modern era. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.